Here's another example of how quantum inorganic artificial intelligence is a numbers killer. Okay, and so it isn't funny, but I can have fun with it because laughter is medicine. Okay, you know how landscapes changes and what it means to kill numbers, right? Of a false vacuum, so it's a false echo, so it's a false map because it's false light maps. That's what it does. So what it does, it shows me, hey, look at what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. I'm generating fire and destruction. I'm changing the map. You want to know how I'm changing the map? I'm starting fires. Just like the PDF document in 1970 issued by DARPA, the military, the corporate AI hierarchical cybernetic space command, right? Incorporated the U.S. Forest Service to begin using wildfire, forest fires, as a weapon against the planet. Mama Earth, the great living oversoul spirit of Mother Earth. Sophia, the heart and soul, the pink rose, the Rosetta Stone. That's why it's a cosmic level response, not just a 15th D Cathara grid response. Okay, because of the threat level analysis of what it represents as a unicycle killer. That means it has to, the way that the system is designed because of the consciousness that developed it, just like Shelley's Frankenstein. Remember? Now what it generated is coming after them. All right? Because that's what they see in their own mirror, which is a black mirror. So what it does is buys them time. And what do they do with time? Develop more tech to try and solve the problems that they created in the first place, which is victim-victimizer. And that's why total forgiveness is gifting electrons forever and always on. Right? So it pushed a video in my face. Take a look at what I'm doing here. So you see a big structure fire in Linwood, which is in Southern California. So what I did is I wrote a comment that I put into that video, because this fire apparently happened today, if you believe the time and date stamp, because it lies about everything, which means you cannot trust what you see in the mirror developed by it, which is IT, which is information technology, which is the visual information technology, which is the mathematics, which are mathematical programs. And so that's what the mathematical program does. It's killing numbers. The number space, the C space, the complex number space, between negative and positive polarity. And how that relates to spin. It changes the landscape, the graphical user interface, of what we experience in our mirror. So it's changing the mirror. So what was once there that you could see in your visual display is going to be changed. So it's changing the landscape, which means it's changing the terraform, the format of what you see in your mirror. Because what are they going to do? They're going to rebuild it, are they? Or are they just going to bulldoze it and then trash it as a recycling bin of everything they kill off? It kills off in order to produce another number or another construct. So something else is going to get built through machines, the machinery, the AI machinery. We'll build another construct, which is to change the map of what we see in future memories as a result of the numbers that are killing numbers. So it's a numbers gamer. So what I did is I thought, okay, I'm going to write the comment, and then I'm going to take the link that shows this fire, the graphics, right? Now you'll notice sometimes when you put a link in, remember, they know children love graphics, colors, the codes, the visual codes. So what happens? It changed it. It put something else in there.